back to Blue Couch. If you've just joined us, today we are talking about change, the changes that we experience in our lives. And sitting on the couch with me is Michelle. She is a great youth coach and she has written a book called The Power in You. So Michelle, once again, welcome to Blue Couch.
Thanks so much. It's really, really great to be here.
Cool. And tell me, what do you think are some of the changes that we go through, especially as young people?
Well, I think there are some real common changes that young people go through. You know, it's changing of schools, perhaps changing of our friendship circle. Maybe there's changes happening at home.
Yeah.
And as we grow older, there's changes and challenges that we're facing, you know, that maybe we need to change our behavior, change the way we act. And of course, we like to change the way we look and stuff as well.
Is change a good thing? Can it be good? Can it be bad? Is change like a two-way thing?
Well, whether it's good or it's bad, it's going to happen. So I think change is really much about our attitude about it. And I like the question about whether or not change is a bad thing, because I think sometimes change can be really, really hard, and it might be really, really painful, and at the time you might really not think it's the greatest thing that's happening to you. But I guarantee you, if you look back on it in a couple of years, you'll discover strengths about yourself that you never knew were even there. So even the change that's not welcome has got a lot of gifts to offer.
What do you think makes us afraid of change? I mean, even today we're shooting a brand new version of the same show, and it can be a little bit tricky sometimes when you're doing something new. So what do you think, can people be afraid of change?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I mean, change means stepping into the unknown, doing something that we haven't done before.
Yeah.
And so we're afraid that perhaps we'll fail, perhaps we won't do it quite right, it won't turn out the way that we hope. But of course, the cost of that is that if we don't make that change, then we'll always stay exactly where we are. We'll never really get to experience how great we can be.
Wow.
So it's about sometimes just diving in there and going for it.
Just dive in there. But now, if let's say we have a friend and our friend is going through changes, how can we be of support to anyone who's going through a change, especially a very difficult one?
Well, I think it's very important for us to remember that while some of our friends will tell us about the kind of changes that we're going through, others might not feel comfortable in telling us what kind of changes are happening. And so it's really important that we're supportive of our friends. You know, sometimes change can be emotional for somebody. It can be really, really tough. And so look for those signs and just ask the person, you know, is there anything I can do for you? How can I help you? You don't have to go in there with all the answers. You don't have to help them through, but just ask them, what kind of help and support do you need from me right now? And just be there with them.
Okay, and then if we are going through changes that might make us feel uncomfortable, what do you think is the best attitude to have, and how can we just adjust to all those changes?
Well, I think what would be so cool is if we all started to become what I call change agents.
Change
like undercover,
agents.
yeah, like change agents.
Like a change spy. What do you mean a change agent?
I mean that really making it your mission to create changes in your life. You know, what I think a lot of young people won't know, and it might be insightful for them to get a sense of, is that change is probably one of the hardest things for adults to do.
Why?
Because we're afraid of the unknown. You know, we've got we've got our friends around us, we've got our systems around us. What's going to happen if we make a change?
We're used to something being like this.
Absolutely. So if we can learn that skill at a young age, and you can create change and make it a habit, there's nothing you can't do. It means making a decision, I want this in my life, and going for it. This isn't for me, I want to make changes, I'm going to go for it. And if you can do that, you're going to open a whole new world for yourself.